Rob Amodeo, munis are supposedly the safe haven asset class, but they've been selling off with the rest of the bond market, so I guess they're not immune, right?
That's correct. I think the recent softness, though, is due to a pickup in supply. But more broadly, if there are three key themes in today's marketplace, and that's a healthy balance, I would say a good balance, maybe healthy is a little overstatement, between supply and demand. Again, we've had a little pickup in supply here. It's put people on their heels a little bit. But we've also seen steady fundamentals. Even with the backdrop of domestic economic growth being modest at best, it's provided for steady, if not stable, fundamentals. In the broad market, we know there are pockets of weakness out there. But most importantly, municipal bond investors are receiving good returns with less volatility than other financial markets are offering.
And you're also seeing some overseas demand. So all of a sudden, yield-starved investors from Europe, they're coming over here buying our munis. This sounds a bit off, but I guess it's happening.
Yes, in fact, investors shouldn't be worried about this. They should look to this as a vote of confidence. You have investors that can go anywhere around the globe, and they look to the municipal bond market for several things. They're looking for basically above average liquidity, good liquidity in the marketplace. They're looking for stable, sound fundamentals and fair value. And they're finding it in the municipal bond market. Most of their demand to date has been in the taxable municipal marketplace, but we are having conversations with the opportunity to cross over into the traditional tax-free marketplace.
All right, and what about valuation? Munis cheap, expensive, fairly valued, where are they?
All of the above. I mean, the parts of the market you can still find good value, but I would say the market, if you want to characterize it, it's fair value at best. Parts of the market are full, and then even other parts of the marketplace are overvalued.
All right, and this week we've been hearing from the candidates with regard to their tax plans, their tax proposals. So what are you listening for as a muni fund manager?
Sure. So tax reform is a key issue in this campaign season. And the municipal market, this is not the first time we've heard about tax reform. And so we're going to dismiss the rhetoric for the most part until the campaign season ends and look to the plan that comes and surfaces after the campaign season ends. With that, there are three things you want to look at it as a municipal bond investor. The level of tax rates. We've seen tax rates higher and lower from where they stand, and regardless, municipal bonds continue to play an important role in investors' portfolios. The second is the deductions. Now, if you cap or eliminate any deduction, that makes municipal income much more valuable, so that's a positive. The third is up in the air. We think it's a low probability event, but if you either cap or eliminate the exemption for municipal income, certainly that would be a negative. But we think that's a low probability event.
All right, well, thanks a lot for coming on and talking about it, Rob.
My pleasure, thank you.
Thank you for watching The Street.